So hello again to all, and thanks for joining us at the feedback presentation. So today we will go to discover together the new line of the postural backrest for wheelchairs. So as you probably know, we have a dedicated website for our feedback backrest, and as you can see in this page, we wrote down the address of the website, and also you can take note of the QR code with your mobile phone to visit the dedicated website. To be more detailed, this website is only a place where we show everything regarding the backrest, the feedback backrest, but everything regarding orders and how to submit the configuration will be managed through the Aria Wheels website. Let's see about the history of the feedback. So for over 10 years, Aria Wheels has been dedicated to design and producing ultralight wheelchair, also postural backrest from our beginning. And every product is crafted to ensure superior performance and unparalleled quality. So feedback was created to further expand postural solution for wheelchairs, reflecting the Aria's commitment to offering products that elevate quality of life and promote greater mobility independence. So it's about 10 years we work with backrest. Aria Wheels, which own the feedback brand, as is certified quality. So we are ISO 13485. So that means that we get everything regarding the certification of this ISO, which is dedicated to the medical devices. How we do internally and how we manage the production. As you can see here, we have the first section, which is the make to order, and the second section, which is made to stock in this bottom side. So regarding the made to order, if we want to go to resume everything in 4 steps to let you understand how we manage your order, in case of new products, brand new products, we go to receive the configuration from our partner. This is the first step. Second step, we will go to create the bill of material to produce your backrest. Then we will go to assembly your backrest, your order. Then we go to the quality check and with the shipment. On the other side, which is a kind of continuous production, we will go to keep the outlet page, which is accessible only to the verified user. You can get through your private area a page which is called the outlet. In the outlet, you can find some product, both wheelchair and feedback backrest, that are ready to be shipped. So in that case, you will find products that are pre-configured by Aria and that are already boxed and ready to be delivered. Let's go deeper in the materials we use for our backrest line. And we mainly, for the shell, we mainly use two different materials. So we go with the carbon fiber and also with the aluminum. The carbon fiber, it is utilized for the flexi and the aero models. These high modulus materials ensure an exceptional strength to weight ratio, providing optimal flexibility and vibration damping while keeping the overall weight to a minimum. It is specifically engineered for an active user who require maximum performance and responsiveness from the backrest. Another materials we use is the aluminum. The aluminum is utilized for the halo and the body models. This alloy, the aluminum, offer a perfect balance between structural strength and customization. It allows for a lightweight, rigid structure and that provide a superior trunk support and durability for a daily user. All the models we will go to see in the next pages are comes with 30 millimeters thick high density foam that is covered with a fire retardant and breathable textile, which is also called sometimes 3D material. Let's see what FitBack means. So the choice of the brand name FitBack is based on the combination of two words. Simply fit from 2 feet, because the product must fit the user perfectly, and back from backrest, describing the type of the product. So just to give you an additional information regarding the meaning of our brand. Let's check a kind of map where we will go to go deeper in the brand positioning of FitBack. So we have in this map here a vertical line which represent the type of the backrest. So in the bottom side we have a kind of more lightweight product, and in the upper side we have a kind of more modularity. So consequently we will have a product that are not very focused on the lightweight. If we go to check the X line we have on the right side in terms of design and most iconic product, and on the left side more standard, more traditional design. So we would like to be in this map in this place. So in the bottom and on the right we would like to place our brand on the market that need to be lightweight and very iconic in terms of design. So we can say that currently our most closest competitors could be Matrix. Additionally, let's understand which one is the user target for our product, for our FitBack products. So mainly our target audience include both active independent user, as we can see here a representative image, and also those customers that requires assistance from a caregiver, from another person, or simply they use a power wheelchair. So currently we can mount our product, of course, on the most of manual wheelchair. So we are, of course, 100% compatible with Aria wheelchair, but also on any other brands that manufacture manual wheelchair. Additionally, we use to mount our backrest also on the power wheelchair. And mostly in this case, we will go to use our aluminum line of the backrest. So let's see in the details the models that we currently have in our portfolio. So the first one we will go to talk about is the Halo. Halo is ideal for those customers who are seeking a greater trunk stabilization and a good support from the backrest. This is a product specifically designed for an adult user. So the material of the shell is aluminum. In this case, we have two types of version. So we have the active and the deep side, and the deep sides, and for a total of 12 different sizes. This product can be mounted by using a central clamp. Then we will go to see in the next slide, in the next page, which type of clamp we can offer, and that can be combined with all the backrests we are going to see in the next pages. So specifically, this can be mounted centrally or laterally by using some slot we have on the shell. The Halo is for a user that wants to have from the backrest a very good rigidity from the support from the backrest, and a customer who needs to have a good trunk stability. And the weight of the Halo is around 1 kilograms. So we can say that Halo, as we said in the previous page, is more indicated much probably for a power wheelchair, or for those customers who has a kind of medium high injury, spinal cord injury. The next one is the Aero model. So Aero is ideal for those customers who wants to have a good stabilization of the trunk, but at the same time they want to keep the product very lightweight and wants to have more freedom of movement. Aero is a product was being designed for an adult user. The material of the shell is carbon fiber, and we have 6 different sizes. Same for the Halo, the model we previously see. We can mount the Aero centrally or laterally. And the Aero is for those customers who wants to have a medium rigidity from the support and a medium trunk stability. So we can say that Aero is probably most indicated for a manual wheelchair. In some case, also for a power wheelchair, but because of the weight of the carbon fiber, because of the characteristic in terms of elasticity of the carbon fiber, this is more indicated for a manual wheelchair. So we can say that the carbon can be better for an active user. Instead of the aluminum, the one we saw before is more indicated for a customer who needs support from another person, who needs assistance. The weight of the iron is about 700 grams. So of course it's lighter than the aluminum. And in this case, we have only 6 different sizes. Instead, with aluminum, we have 12 different sizes. For every backrest, if you will go to check the dedicated website page, in the download area, you will have a technical file, the specs, called specs, that can be downloaded. And in that file, you can find all the technical information regarding the measures, regarding a suggestion for the width of the seat you can mount at specific sites. So every technical question, for your information, can be found in the document, which is called the technical specs. And additionally, in every page, if you scroll down after the download section, you will have the configurator section. That for our partner is the tool, for our partner that already knows, is the tool we use to receive the configuration from our partner, and is the classic order form passed in digital on a website, which is an online features for everyone. The next model is the Flexi. So we are going even more on an active user. So we started from the aluminum one, and we said the allo. We saw the aero, and now we are going to see the Flexi. So also the Flexi is for an adult user, as a carbon fiber shell as a material of the backrest. Also here we have 6 different sizes, and same for the other. This can be mounted centrally or laterally. The suggestion for this model, if you would like to get better result, get a better response from the backrest shape, much probably the Flexi is most indicated to be mounted centrally, aimed to get all the features of the characteristic of the carbon fiber. So this shape, if mounted centrally, can allow you to have a good rigidity from the back, but you know, not that much, and give you a kind of freedom in terms of movement. And in fact, here we have only one selection, so means that the Flexi is the less we can offer in our portfolio in terms of trunk stability. So we can say that this product is mostly indicated for those customers who has a quite of low spinal cord injury. So they have almost all the control of the trunk. So they don't need any kind of strong support. The weight of the Flexi is about 600 grams. So it's the lightest we can offer. Next model is the body. So body is for a pediatric user. The shell is made in aluminum, and we have 4 different sizes, and this can be mounted centrally. Probably in the next future, we will have also the possibility to mount also the body laterally. This is for a pediatric user. So actually we grant to with the body that the customer will have a good rigidity in terms of support from the backrest and wants to be fixed on the wheelchair. So we grant a medium high trunk stability. The weight of the body is about 900 grams. And as said, this is the most important. This is for a pediatric user. So we can fit also, in this case, the Aria wheelchairs and also other brand wheelchairs. So we can adapt to many other brands. So we have seen our 4 type of backrest we can offer. So we have seen 2 aluminum product. So the halo for adult, the body pediatric, and 2 in carbon. The 2 in carbon, as said, are the flexi and the aero. How we can mount our backrest on the wheelchair, both power or manual? We can offer 4 types of attachment. So we have 2 types of central clamp and 2 types of lateral clamps. For the central, we have the clutch, which is the fixed one, which allow an adjustment innate. Then we have the CLAR one, which is already another central clamp that will give you the possibility to remove the shell from the clamp. So in case we have an active user for which the transport weight of the wheelchair, for example, is an important topic, and we want to reduce to the maximum the transport weight, and the customer wants to have a central clamp, much probably this one is the most indicated clamp we can offer. Because by removing the shell from the clamp, which will remain, of course, clamped on the wheelchair, we can reduce the transport weight of the wheelchair. Then the other types of the clamp are the lateral ones. So we have the CLALA, which is the fixed one. And here, of course, we can have the possibility to adjust the backrest innate, because we actually simple, we move the clamp innate in case we want to move, we want to increase the backrest state, or on the opposite. So we are quite free to adjust it in the way we want. But this will remain a fixed clamp. On the other side, we have another lateral clamp, the one with red button here. And with the same concept, we have for the central one, we apply the same concept for the lateral one. So the QR will give you the feature to remove the backrest shell from the clamp. In some cases, we have mounted, for example, this type of clamp. We had some cases on the manual wheelchair, but also on the power wheelchair. And here we have a kind of graphic that is resuming what I'm saying in this moment. So the clutch, the first one central, is adjustable in height and is adjustable in depth. And this can be mounted on 3 types of diameter. So means 25 millimeters, 22 millimeters, or 19. This means that actually, if we have a wheelchair that has a crossbar in the back part of the frame, we can mount our clamp, and by having different spacer, this allow to be mounted actually on most wheelchair on the market. Same is for the other one central we have seen before, which allow the backrest shell to be removed from the clamp. This is adjustable in height, adjustable in depth, and here we have different diameter than the other we have previously seen. So this one can be mounted on 30 millimeter diameter, 25 or 22. The other one, Clara, is the lateral, and here we have the feature to be adjustable in height. This can be adjustable in depth, and this can be mounted on 25 or 22 millimeters diameter. The other one, the clockware, is the one that allow us to remove the shell from the clamp, and this can be adjustable in height. This is the only one that can be adjustable also in angle. So the clamp itself can offer you the possibility to adjust the angle of the backrest. This is probably also why this is very indicated also for the power wheelchair. This is adjustable in depth also, and this can be mounted to 25 or 22 diameter. We have seen those diameters here. That, for your information, it's only an indication. But if you have some cases that needs to have a different diameters, please just submit your request by indicating the diameters you would like to mount the clamp, and for us will be quite easy to adapt on a different diameter. And so this is the graphic regarding the type and the features that every type of clamp offer. And here we have the compatibility between the type of the clamp and the type of the FitBack model. And actually we almost are compatible with every type of backrest we have in our range. And this is what, so we have seen the backrest shell plus the attachment. So please consider that every kind of attachment is compatible with every type of backrest. So we can create and find many solutions by multiply, the 4 type of shell and the 4 type of clamps. What we offer to our partner, of course, in case we will go to start working with FitBack Backrest, we will offer you a kind of training in the first period to give you the maximum assistance in terms of knowledge of the product, and we will do a training. In addition to the products, we also offer many services like the private area, which is available on the Aria Wheels website. So as I have seen, as I've said before, the FitBack website is a place that has been created only as a show place for the brand and for the product. Everything regarding the business to business activities, so with our partner, we will require the creation of an account on our B2B private area, which is available through the ariawheels.com website. So from the ariawheels.com, you can have different possibility. So you can submit configuration of both FitBack products and Aria products. You can send requests of spare parts. We have just launched the new spare parts page. And also you can send repair requests in case of you need any kind of assistance from us. This is the dedicated page, warranty or no warranty. And of course, you will have the possibility to get updated on the latest dealer news. And we have a guide that will be available from this page. For your information, after this webinar, we will send to your email also this presentation, so you can have access by opening this file also to the link that are present here. And additionally, we will give to our customer, in case we will start to work together, all the marketing support we can offer, so we can promote our partnership to the user, aimed to create new lead from your country. For your information, we have different type of customer. So in terms of importance, we have our main customers is the country distributors, means that a company that manage a whole country. Then we have a premium dealer, which has not exclusive in terms of distribution of the Aria or FitBack product, but this is for us a good customer. And we have the dealer, which is a customer that has not that continuity in terms of orders to Aria. And also we have some person that are called product specialists. So those are the persons in the territories that, of course, have a good knowledge of the FitBack and both the Aria products. And from this page, you will have this button. So we invite you to register your account on our website, aimed to have all the features reserved for the business-to-business customers. So from this page, you should just click on this button, and you should be directed on the sign up page. Here at the end, we have our contact, and we also have all our social pages. Here some address, and here the QR code of our website. Thank you all for your time, and I hope everything was clear. Thank you.